వేద పాఠశాల ఇది చదువు నేర్పుకోవెల అజ్ఞానము తొలగించే విజ్ఞానపు జ్యోతిలా. వెల్కమ్ టు వేద పాఠశాల. Let's join hands together and grow together.
Sure. Very good afternoon to everyone. Myself Gurudatta. So here I'm from EC department. So I'm 2016 passed out and I qualified in GATE. So today topic that I want to introduce is, so what is the easiest way that we can score in GATE? So mainly, so as we know, so GATE consists of 65 questions and for 100 marks. So it's divided into three parts. Into aptitude and reasoning and maths and subject based. So who thinks better about GATE exam? The main focus will be on these two subjects. So this subject is vast and marks will be more, but for easiest way to qualify, people will concentrate on aptitude and maths, two concepts. Okay, somebody is writing, don't write at anything on board. Okay, so in aptitude we will be having a 15 questions, 15 marks total. Aptitude carries 15 marks. So out of them 5 are 1 mark questions. Meeting on, and 5 are 2 marks question. Okay, so another main impact that will happen in reasoning in GATE exam is negative marking. So if you do one negative marking, then you will, if you put one wrong question, you will be getting 1/3. For 2 marks question, it will be 2/3. Like if 3 wrong attempts, 1 mark will go. Here 3 wrong, then 2 marks will go. So like this negative marking will be. So the way how we consider how important the aptitude part is makes come from here. So if we are sure about the aptitude and maths part, so definitely there are more chances that we are going to qualify. That depends on how confidently that we are going to deal with the questions. Okay, so that is what the main intention behind importance of aptitude and reasoning. So in aptitude and here teacher is there. So this is one example like analogy question. So by seeing the word, so here itself we will be having a hint. So doctor, he is related to hospital. In the same way, teacher is related to school. So very basic thing it is, but when it comes to GATE point of view, the complexity will be more, and it will be a bit tricky to answer. Only once a practice makes sure you to attempt the question. Understanding. Suppose 3 is there, 91. In the same way, what is the value comes here? Like, so if you understand the relation between these two numbers, it is easy to get an answer here. Like, so 3 and 91 is related to 3 square, 3 cube, 3 power 4. Right. In the same way, here answer we will get 4 power 4. Sorry, here 81. Like, so understanding is important, very the reasoning part. So only nothing else we need to do, we have to put our mind and understand the question, so we can easily understand. Suppose I will say in a blood relations. Pointing to a photograph, Ajay said he is the only son of my grandfather's son. So like question is, there is one photograph. Here one photo is there. There is one person called Ajay. He's telling that the person who is there in the photo, he is the only son of my grandfather's son. So this he is the Ajay. His grandfather means his father's father. His father's only son means he's Ajay father. Only son of Ajay father is himself. Understand? The question is asked in such a way, rather than telling this photo is of mine, the logic involved in the question is he is pointing to himself, but question is asked in different way. So that is what the main logical thinking involves. So if you understand the question, you can directly say Ajay is telling pointing to his photograph itself. Easy. So this is what comes with the understanding of blood relations with respect to the hierarchy of the family. So here grandfather is the top hierarchy, like grandparents. Here he is the father, one step down. Here it is the grandparents in the bottom. So it's a hierarchy. So a father having a wife, and if he is having some other brothers and sisters. So for here main understanding we do is we will put the positive negative sign for the persons. If negative means it is the person will be female. If positive means if we put plus, he is a male. Easy. That kind of we understanding we have to put it in while answering the questions. Suppose another example I will say. So directions part. So when comes to the direction part, only thing that we have to remember this diagram. Okay. So in this part, east, west, north, south, these are the directions. Suppose there is a person who is at this point and walking towards east. So with respect to our diagram, east direction means towards this side for 5 kilometers. And he turned right. Right means he is facing towards east. Now facing right, he turned right means like this. And he went for 5 kilometers. If I ask a question, what is the distance from starting point to the ending point? There are 2 points. Line of sight distance and non line of direction. Like line of direction means from this point to this one direction. Non-line means he has to come in this way, in this way. For non-linear, it will be 5 plus 5, 10 kilometers, because he has to come along with the line, road. And non-linear from, so here we will apply the Pythagoras rule. So this here angle is 90 degrees. So if we consider ABC, so now we have to find the distance AC. So with respect to Pythagoras rule, AC is equal to square root of AB square plus BC square. Square root of pi square 25 plus 25. So square root of 50 is the answer. Kind of. So it is involved in such a way that question will be easy to answer, but only we have to understand the concept how we are going to address the question. So that what you are going to learn in the gate session. So hope you all understood the importance of aptitude in a gate point of view. and we are going to discuss many more important things from the scratch towards the exam point of view to the critical level, so everyone can attempt the question easy way with our learning and concept that we are going to learn in the sessions. Okay.